What it is, what's up? It is your girl Cassandra Liz. Welcome back to my channel. Now you guys, I know I am looking hit right now, but I was fortunate enough to receive some amazing hair care products. I'm going to link them right here as well as in the description box. Be sure to check them out because honey. So right off the bat, I was in awe with their packaging. Super chic, very simple. They also have their hashtag on Facebook as well as on Instagram. In the first package, I received these shampoos. And then the shampoo, it just says mineral shampoo for normal hair, 5 vitamins, 18 amino acids, 77 minerals. So this is paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS-free, which is sulfate. And you guys know how I am always looking for shampoo that is sulfate-free. I tested these hair products out 2 days ago, and honestly, my hair was so soft. It felt so clean that I feel it's necessary to take you guys to my shower and show you guys why I love this stuff. Let's go. So right off the bat, I'm just going to be wetting my hair with cold water. Yes, I did say cold water. And I'm going to be taking the MOERIE shampoo. Now, honestly, a little bit goes a very long way. Just add it to your scalp, scrub it in with some water, and voila, bubbles. This made my hair feel so amazing. Now, you know that fresh out the salon feeling? That's how I felt after washing my hair. Like, I was struggling with dry hair. I was struggling with dandruff, and this honestly stripped that all out. Like, it removes all the gunk out of your hair. Compared to other shampoos, I'm always impressed with sulfate-free products. So now I'm just taking the MOERIE conditioner, and honestly, my hair has been so dry that I figured I would need this much, but I promise you guys, a little really does go a very long way. So I'm just taking this conditioner and applying it mid-length, and what I like to do is just distribute it with my fingers, combing it all out. The scent was so amazing. My hair felt so soft. You guys can see my little curls coming in. So what I like to do is just pull my hair up in a bun and just kind of let that sit, wash my body, and then once I am done, I will rinse that all out. Honestly, my hair felt so clean, so refreshed. Straight out of the shower, this is what my hair is looking like. I do have naturally wavy hair, so I feel like that is definitely coming back through. Right now, I'm going to use the Mineral Ultimate Growth Spray. This smells like tea tree oil. It's so bomb. But I spray it throughout my hair and on my roots, as well as on the ends. Brush it all out with one of these paddle brushes, just so that it distributes throughout my hair. I'm going to be using the Mineral Repairing Hair Mask. Looks like this. It smells like coconut butter. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. It smells so good, honestly. I'm just gonna take a little bit like this and rub this from my hands and just kind of, I don't like to put this stuff on my roots. What I like to do is mainly work it into mid-length of my hair, so pretty much here below. Work it in my ends just because I do have very dry hair, and I've noticed that after using this the first time, my hair felt so smooth, so good. It smells so fresh, like that fresh out of the hair salon smell. That's what I feel like this is. Oh, it's amazing. All right, let me get ready and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, so we're back. My hair is dry. I love how my curls are looking right now. So I naturally have wavy curly hair, but the volume that these products just gave me, you got, and my hair's not crispy. It doesn't have that crunchy feeling. I always try to avoid that. I only put this hair mask and the hair growth spray. I am living right now, you guys. Like up close and personal, look at my hair. Still have some dry parts just because I do a lot of straightening my hair and using curling wands and stuff on it. But I feel like Wow. My hair is feeling shiny and new. I'm loving this. So yeah, I do have a discount code. I'm going to link it down below as well as right here. I definitely recommend these products. Oh my goodness. From the packaging to the scents of these products to the way my hair feels. You guys need to get your hands on this. I'm going to link them down below. Be sure to check them out. Oh my goodness. Bam. And again, thank you so much to MOERIE for sending me these products. I am in absolute awe. I love every single one of these products. And I can't wait to use it again because, oh my goodness. Straightener where? I don't even need straightener. What? Look at this hair. Bouncy volume. Gorgeous curls. I'm living. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.